Welcome to the new video, how small businesses can monitor employee screens without a big IT department. In this video, I will show you how small businesses can monitor employee screens without a big IT department or complex infrastructure. Yeah, if you run a small or medium-sized business and you don't have a full-time IT team, this video is for you. Maybe you've already searched for employee monitoring software and felt overwhelmed. Everything looks complicated. You see words like on-premise server databases, agent politics, policies, logs, and everything. You might be thinking this looks like it's built for big corporations uh, with their own IT department, not for a small company like mine. But the reality is you don't need a huge IT setup to see what's happening on your company's PC live. And you see here on my screen already how you can do that, but I will walk you through with the software Wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download on wolfeye.co. And basically, it will allow you to do that after you install it on company's PC to see the live computer screen on a dashboard, on a grid, so to speak, like you are seeing it here. Yeah. So let's see. But before we start, first of all, I will walk you through a simple approach to monitor employee screens in a small business, step by step, from the perspective of a business owner with limited IT resources. And very important, I will talk about the technical and practical side. This is not legal advice. So please, disclaimer at this point, before you introduce monitoring software, always check the legal requirements in your country and talk to a lawyer or HR expert. Let's start. Um, so you probably don't need complex log analysis, your own servers, a dedicated monitoring team, and hundreds of settings. What you do need is something like you're seeing basically here. Yeah. So you say, I want to install a small piece of software, a small program on my company PCs. I want to log in somewhere with my browser and I want to see my employees' live screens, yeah, in real time, as if you were sitting in front of it, just like you see here, maybe with a simple history without the whole company IT architecture turning into a big project. Yeah. And with Wolfeye, what you will receive after you install this small piece of software on each of the company's computer, Wolfeye Watch, this is the demo dashboard as you install it on each of, yeah, I'm already logged in. Okay. You install it, let's say you have 5 computers. You install it on each of the 5 company computers and we'll see the live computer screen of each of the company's PCs, like you're seeing here. Here, this is the demo dashboard, and that's why you are seeing a dummy picture here for these computers and not the real live screen. But in reality, you will see the live screen. And live screen means it's a screenshot updated to every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, so you have this time lag of 2 to 3 seconds. But besides that, you see exactly what happens there. Yeah. And this is how it works. And you don't need an IT department because the installation is really, really very, very easy. I demonstrated here to you. Basically, you go the the installation setup file that you download. Yeah, I don't know if it's running at my computer right now. You double click it, and the installation wizard opens. And then you hit the install button. You hit it, and the software installs. And then you hit finish and it runs Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah, the control window appears. And to set it up, you only need to hit 2 buttons. The share button, yeah, and then the stealth mode button that turns it into the stealth mode and hides the software. That's it. And that you do for each of the computer in your company that you want to monitor and will receive the dashboard, a, a link to your personal dashboard, yeah, where you will see for each of the computer that you have done that steps in life, yeah, and the user will not notice anything about any surveillance, yeah. So software will whenever the Windows system is restarted, the software runs in the background and the user does not notice anything. Yeah? So if you would like to and this feature is this you could also take a closer look at one of these computers. So select one computer, let's say this, and open in a new tab. Yeah. Oh, sorry. And then you will see the full screen of that particular computer in live screen on a new, in full size, on a new tab, so to speak. Yeah. Again, of course, this is the demo. That's why you see a dummy picture. In reality, you see the live screen. Okay. And also, if you wanted, this feature is disabled by default, but if you wanted, you could enable the screenshot history that will save a screenshot to the server every 5 minutes. To see it, you just hit this history link for that particular computer and we'll see the screenshot history. Again, this is the demo dashboard, and that's why you see these dummy pictures. In reality, of course, here will be the, um, the screenshots that are saved every 5 minutes. Yeah. So that is basically how it works. Yeah. So if you would like to try it out yourself, come to our website, wolfeye.co, okay, and click this button here on the top of the site that says 14 days free trial, demo trial, and book a live demo session. And in this live demo session, yeah, what will happen is first, I will give you access to my dashboard, yeah, so you will see my live screen. And then I will give you the download link of Wolfeye Remote Screen so you can download and install it on all of your computers if you wanted to, or on one or two. Yeah. And we'll give you access to your dashboard, your personal dashboard. If you want, I can guide you through the installation. Yeah, we do it with a Google Meet, and in Google Meet you can share your screen. I can guide you, or I can even install it for you using a software like AnyDesk or any. Yeah. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.